2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and for today's video we have a little bit of a different setup because today I am going to be decluttering and customizing my Mac. Recently I got a notification that my Mac was running out of storage, so I'm going to go through and kind of declutter and organize and customize my entire Mac, and a lot of videos on YouTube inspired me and gave me ideas on how I'm going to be going about this, so I'm going to be linking those videos down below if you guys want to check them out because there'll be a little bit more in-depth tutorials while mine is kind of applying what they taught to my own personal Mac. That is it, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So here is my current desktop, and it's not terribly messy compared to how it can be. Sometimes it's completely covered in icons. So we are going to be starting with my desktop. And I am just going to begin by kind of cleaning up these icons, and honestly, I'm just gonna kind of throw all of these in downloads for now because there will be a whole section later on clearing out my files. Alright, so unfortunately I will be removing this photo. So I am going to go into System Preferences and Desktop and Screensaver. So this is the screensaver that I think I like. I think she's cute. So we're just gonna go with this for now. It's kind of very simple. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do is we are going to make our dock look a lot prettier. So we're gonna start off by changing my Google Chrome logo down here. So I found this basic Google logo. It's this one over here, so actually it's like a white circle around it. You just can't really tell right now. But what's great about this one is I can change all the colors. So I'm gonna make this one a little bit more aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Alright. So now you're going to do what you have seen in every other thing ever, and you go into Google Chrome, get info. I am going to go over my download. Alright, so go in here, open it up, edit, copy, or just hit Command C, and then click on this boy, Command V, and there she is! Isn't she beautiful? Nice basic Spotify, there we go. So here's the normal Spotify logo. Download, transparent, download, get info. There she is. Alright. I'll be showing you how to add spaces into your dock so that it looks a little bit more organized. It's actually really, really easy. So all you have to do, search terminal, hit enter, it will launch this little guy. So all you're gonna do is paste this exact phrase into your terminal, and I will have it down in the description box. All you have to do, copy, paste, hit enter, and now you'll see there's this cute little space in your dock. Alright, and you just kind of keep pasting it in there, and it will just add in as many spaces as you want. Honestly, I'm just gonna organize all of these by color. So now I have all these little spaces in my dock, and so it's kind of dividing each up by each color. So I just think this is more aesthetically pleasing for me. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the accent color for my Mac. Alright, so all I have to do is open up System Preferences and then go into General here, and it's really easy. You can change it from light mode to dark mode, although I prefer dark mode, and you can change all of the button colors and everything. Yay, that's exciting. And then you can change your highlight color as well. Okay, so the next thing I want to do to my desktop is go and add in like all of the really cute icons and folders and stuff like that that you see people doing, but my computer isn't organized enough to do that yet. So I am going into my mess that is Finder, and we are going to start organizing. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do, where to start. Okay, so it's been about an hour and I've been kind of still messing around and organizing everything, but to be completely honest, this is going to take me a long time to go through all of this, but I want to show you kind of the system that I'm doing so that you guys can implement it on your own computers. But basically I'm just making these large folders that are like big umbrellas. So I have photos, college, YouTube, things that are like really important, and those are the icons I'm going to be putting on my desktop as well. And then within that, for example, photos, I have all the different photos for each year. So yeah, so that's basically how I'm doing it for photos. For YouTube, I'm still working on that folder, but I just kind of made it for now. But as of right now, I just have thumbnails, which has a couple of my old thumbnails on here. Honestly, I haven't gone through enough stuff to make my entire YouTube section. And then for college, I've just started off with year 1, semester 1. So I'm gonna have different folders for each year, each semester, and then folders for each of my classes as well. And they have all the important documents, for example, my post labs for my chemistry class. But I still have a lot more to go, as you can see. But either way, I'm going to start adding some of these really big important folders to my desktop. Photos, YouTube, and college. And we're just gonna kind of have them chilling up here for a minute, and then we're gonna go into Canva and we're gonna make some cute stuff. All right, a lot of people do just like really cute logos that could go for anything, like a flower or I don't know, a heart or something like that, but I am someone who kind of needs the visual cue. So I'm going to be just making cuter versions of the actual logos. For example, for YouTube, I'm actually going to make a cute YouTube logo. So something like this. Just transparent the background. But yeah, see, it's super easy. That's, I don't know, I think that's like way cuter to me than like everything looking the same. So for college, this is where it gets a little bit more difficult. I'm sorry to all USC students who I just had to type in peace sign. Right. Fighting on. So those are my current little like thumbnails. I actually think this is way cuter, and it also just helps me like see exactly what everything is. What else did I want to do? Oh, I might throw some post-it notes on here. To-do lists are the most helpful for me, at least. Things like that. All right, nice and cute. So then we're gonna full screen this bad boy and make it go up here. So now it's like up here, and I can just click on it and it'll like drop down like that. So that was a cool little tip that I saw online. And I can just mess around with that. So I'm definitely gonna keep that little guy up there. I think I'm gonna do the thing that Julia did, which was really cute. I wanna add that photo. Ooh. Can I find that photo of me and my friends? Oh, it's right here. I forgot I re-edited it. All right. So we're gonna, how big do we want it? That's good. So let's just screenshot it to the size. But basically, whatever size you just made it, whatever size you just made that picture is like the size that it's going to be on your computer. So really cute, so I can still kind of keep my friends here. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm really happy with this. This looks so cute. Okay, so if you want to customize your little itsy cal, because right now it's just like this weird number 3, go click on it, click on this, click on preferences, and then you can mess around. So I'm going to do the month and the date in it, but you can also make it a little like outline if you guys want, but I don't really want that. And then if you go on the itsy.cal website, they have a bunch of like codes you can type into daytime pattern, and you can make it look like different ways. You can add in like the time or like the PM or AM, things like that. So I'm gonna keep the theme the same as the system, but which is dark, but you could switch out. It's also just cute to have the little calendar and you can like see like the days of the week. The other thing that I added, which you guys will see in like every single one of these types of videos that you watch, is my screensaver is this like analog clock, and if you literally just look up flip clock on Safari or Google Chrome or whatever and then download it, super easy, then you'll get this fun little flip clock. So every time, after every 10 minutes, if I haven't touched my computer, it'll turn to that nice little clock. So if you guys have any other ideas or tips on ways to kind of personalize or even declutter, because we all know that I still have to go through and declutter. I really want to make some videos on like customizing Google Chrome and things like that, or just like different plugins that would be helpful for college or students. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see all of you guys next time for my next video. Bye.